Hi guys, I'm Nick from GTA Mega and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Starbase remover kit. The kit comes with 3 main parts. You get one circular thing like this and you get one circular thing like this. It's got 2 screws and you get yourself some Allen keys. So you don't actually have to flip the chair over, but from my point of view, I'm going to flip this chair over to make it a bit easier to get into it. So what we are doing is we're taking this one without the screws and we're going to attach it onto here by taking out one of these screws. So for this you need one of the smaller Allen keys and we're going to just unscrew this, unscrew until it comes out like that. If you have a little plastic bit like this, just move it right out the way and just let it kind of hang here for just now. You're going to take the metal bit, you're going to twist it like this. And you're going to twist it on around the piston and slide it in. If you can't twist it on, then you will just have to take this other screw out and that might help you a wee bit getting in. So now what we're going to do is you're going to take the screw that you just took out and you're going to put it right back in. Once you've got that screw attached, you want to screw in both sides. So as you can see, we're just screwing both sides in until it becomes quite tight, but not too tight. So you want it to be loose enough that you can move it, and I want you to move it right up to the end. Tighten it a wee bit, but you still want it to be loose enough that it'll move. So now I want you to take this other metal piece, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the big Allen key to take one of these screws out and then attach it the same way we did with the other one. Undo the screw until it comes out. So you're going to go around like this to get it on. And you're going to slide it right along to the other one. Make sure to have the screws on this side. Now you're going to do the same thing and screw this one in. The only difference with this one is you want this one to be super tight. So screw this one in, screw both sides in, so that they're both tight on each side. Get it nice and tight. And just make sure that both sides are nice and tight. What we're going to do is we're going to take these screws, we're going to screw them in, and they're going to eventually start hitting this one, and it's going to push the Starbase off. So to start with, I recommend just finger turning this one until it gets too tight to push, and doing the same on the other side. We're just taking our big Allen key and we're going to just slot it in and start to tighten. Now this might be quite a lengthy process, so I'm going to speed this up so you can see. Now make sure to do the other side. And keep tightening each side so you're screwing it until the Starbase can come completely off. So because I've done this one before, this one came off in one screw turn to the end. For you it might be a little bit different. You might need to unscrew this, take them all off, unscrew this part, and move it along. And then screw it back on again, and then repeat that process until it comes off. So if you've got a newer chair, this might be a little bit easier. If you've got an older chair, just from the compression of, everyday weight going onto your chair, it might be a little bit harder to get this one off. It might take a little bit longer, but if you have a little bit of patience, you will be able to get it off. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you need any more advice or help, just leave a little comment below and we'll get back to you. Otherwise, see you later.